Who is the man? Who is the boss? Who is the big that paid the cost? I mean, if I had just one wish, what the fuck did he wish for? His arms to be wide open? What the? Good. You had one wish, bro. Only one demand. I hope it's not like you, me. Something like that. I hope you understand with arms wide open. Hey, did you see that fucking lizard on my shit the other day? Cuz keeps coming back. He wants to square up with me, dog. What do you think I should do? Do you think I should take this whole family out with some Monsanto? Let me know. With arms wide open under the soleil. Welcome to this place. I'll show you everything. Alright, enough fucking around, dude. Alright, listen here. If you're my dad, I don't give a damn, bro. You're gonna have to draw a damn arrow better than this, buddy. Dang, that's a fucked up. How do I even save this, bro? Shit. Now we're talking. I'll let you see what it looks like, dog. Now that's, if you're gonna draw my fridge, you better do it right, buddy. Alright, you better take a little bit of time. This only took me like 2 minutes, brother. Dad, whatever, alright? Don't be drawing on there unless you're serious.